this video is a joke, and it is literally just poking fun at these stupid little 3 AM creators and content farms. And this is a joke, so yeah. Yo guys, what is up with a brand new video? So today we are going to be opening the workshop, the Skibidi
Happy Meal. And if you eat this at 3 AM, then you will get and the Skibidi toilets inside your walls. And as you can see, it is clearly 3 AM now. So we are going to go downstairs into the Skibidi toilet Happy Meal unboxing room, and we are going to eat this Skibidi Workshop Happy Meal.
Yes. All right. Okay, we have found it. We're going to eat these potato chips, the Skibidi Workshop Happy Meal.
Yes, I'm going to eat this right now, and I'm going to consume.
What were those noises, Oliver?
Oh my God!
Oh no!
Oh.
It must be the Skibidi Rizzler. We must go outside.
No. Evacuated to this room because the Skibidi Workshop monster might appear any second right now. We are going to walk downstairs. I wonder if anything will happen. Oh my God! It is the Skibidi Workshop! It is the Skibidi Workshop monster, and he is coming inside right now. This is not a fake. This is the Skibidi Toilet Workshop monster, and it's not like I can run away into the kitchen right now. He is going to blow me up. Help me! I'm going.